In astrology, the 12 houses in your birth chart reveal a lot about your life journey, the areas you'll experience growth, and the lessons you'll face. Understanding the deeper meaning behind each house can give you insights into your personal and spiritual evolution. So today we'll dive deep into each of the 12 houses of astrology, exploring how they influence you, your life path, and the overall picture they create when paired with planets and signs. Ready to learn what each house holds for you? House 1, the house of self. The first house is all about you, your personality, appearance, and how you present yourself to the world. It governs your self-image, the way you react to situations, and how others see you. This house sets the tone for your approach to life and how you express yourself. House 2, the house of possessions. The second house rules your material world, including your finances, values, and how you earn and spend money. It's not just about material possessions, though it's about what you value most and how you secure your resources, both physical and emotional. House 3, the house of communication. Communication is key in the third house. It governs how you express yourself verbally and through writing, as well as your mental processes. This house also influences your immediate environment, such as your siblings, neighbors, and early education. House 4, the house of home and family. The fourth house represents your roots, your home, and your family. It shows how you nurture, what you need to feel emotionally secure, and where you come from. The energies of this house deeply influence your domestic life and your connection to your ancestral past. House 5, the house of creativity and pleasure. The fifth house is your creative expression and your connection to fun, romance, and children. It shows what brings you joy, how you play, and how you express your talents and love. It's also the house that speaks to your inner child and your ability to experience life through wonder and passion. House 6, the house of health and service. Health, work, and daily routines fall under the sixth house. It deals with your physical well-being, the type of work you do, and your day-to-day responsibilities. How you maintain balance and handle stress also shows up here, along with your ability to be of service to others. House 7, the house of partnerships. The seventh house governs relationships, both romantic and business. It shows the types of partnerships you attract and how you behave in these relationships. This house reveals your approach to marriage, partnerships, and significant others, offering a deep look at the dynamics of give and take in your closest relationships. House 8, the house of transformation. The eighth house is known as the house of transformation, regeneration, and deep, intense change. It governs shared resources, intimacy, death, and rebirth. This house helps you process transformation on a psychological and emotional level, as well as handle major life shifts from inheritances to deep personal healing. House 9, the house of expansion and philosophy. The ninth house speaks to your higher education, philosophy, and long-distance travels. It deals with the broader search for meaning, the quest for knowledge, and the exploration of your beliefs. Whether it's through travel, higher education, or spiritual awakening, this house urges you to explore new horizons, mentally and physically. House 10, the house of career and public life. The 10th house governs your career, your ambitions, and your standing in the world. It speaks to how you're seen by society and what you strive to achieve. Whether through professional goals, reputation, or public life, this house shows your path to success and how you manage your image in the public eye. House 11, the house of friendships and groups. The 11th house is where you connect with groups, communities, and your hopes for the future. It deals with friendships, your social network, and your role in larger collective movements. This house also governs your dreams and aspirations, showing the bigger picture of your vision for your life and the people who support you. House 12, the house of subconscious and mysticism. Finally, the 12th house is all about the unseen, the subconscious, and the spiritual world. It governs your dreams, intuition, and hidden fears. This house also represents endings and your connection to the divine. It reveals the lessons of surrender and letting go, as well as your ability to tap into your spiritual gifts. The 12 houses in astrology offer a roadmap for navigating different areas of your life. Each house represents a specific aspect of your journey, from your personal self to your relationships, career, and spirituality. By understanding each house's deeper meaning, you'll gain insights into the energies that shape your life and how to align with them for growth and fulfillment. If this video helped you unlock some deeper layers of your birth chart, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more astrological wisdom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.